So the other day I was told to go open the garage door, and for some reason it wasn't even opening. So I had to go pull the emergency latch from the inside to lift the garage door up.
See there, the plastic coupler that makes the screwdriver turn is actually broken. It's like all the pieces are like right there, and it's broken in half. And that's the reason why my garage wouldn't open at all. And so what we want to do is make sure the garage is in the closed position, so that way the alignment doesn't get thrown off. Because we don't know if it's like open or closing at the moment, so it's just better to have it closed and then align it that way, because it makes it much easier and things won't go out of sync. Go to your sensors or trigger the garage and then touch the sensor so then it goes back, and then push it again so that it closes again. Cool. So with it flashing, it means it's going back. And now click it one more time. Perfect. Now we know it's in the closed position. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna unplug power. Okay, so there's like 2 screws that you have to remove in order to replace that plastic part. It's these 2 screws right here. 11 millimeter. Dang, it's hella tight. There we go. Dude, the black plastic thing, you can literally take it off. That's how worn it is. Oh, look. So this is the piece that after like 10 years, it's split in half. And so I picked up a brand new one from Amazon. This is gonna fit right in here. Yeah. So yeah, we just gotta slide this bar out and then put this new one in, and then we're good to go. Take out the screw first though.
Garage door opener was actually mounted a different way. You have to take out the 2 screws on the side of the mount just so I could move it and slide it.
It's not like all the other ones where I can just slide it off. It looks like I have to take, the way this was built, I actually have to hoist it off. So this is like something that we use in the film thing for rigging called a safety chain, so I'm just using this. So that way, when I pop off the 2 screws, it's not gonna go crazy. It's not gonna be like super heavy. Okay. Pop off the 2 screws. Grab one, grab the other one, and now I just slide it back. Slide it out until the first screw hole, just about. Nice. And you might have to turn it. Nope. Nice. And once that's done, you just pretty much put the screws back. 1. Plugging back the garage. Nice. Moment of truth.
Nice.